Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. This past weekend I met up with some of the guys who ride out in Queens, and we did a huge ride all over Queens into parts of the county that I have never been. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my video cameras. But I did get some cell phone footage, and we did stop at a spot for some burgers and some food. So I'll roll some of that footage for you and give you a little around the hood in 8 minutes after the fact. So check it out.
I got singles if you need.
Okay, we got a little bit of a Zoos Club ride today, as you can see behind me. Not only just Zoos, but we got a Rev 1, we got a Roadrunner, we got a Super 73, and we got a nice collection of Zoos bikes. We got the Zoos flag flying proud out here. We're at Burger Queens in Queens. Doing a little bit of a ride out around Queens. We're gonna go deep into Queens, outside of my comfort zone, but I got 2 batteries, so I should be good. Let's check out the reaction of some of these guys and what they think about the burger. Biker gang.
I forgot to track it from the garage, from the store tracking. Today's gonna be a good ride.
Yeah. Oh. What's the move? What's the review?
Immaculate.
I got tight because I was like, spent money on it, so then just waited a little bit and got into Japanese.
Ceviche. I mean, I'm sorry, encebollado.
Okay.
But ceviche is awesome too. So my favorite, I'm not a big foodie or like connoisseur of Ecuadorian food, because my mom, basically, she didn't want to do
That looks insane.
Well, you're used to the appetite. Can you really handle it?
I saw a bunch of them in Chicago. Oh, hydraulics. Awesome.
And no one programmed it. So, you know,
How was the triple?
Fucking incredible.
The man got the triple, and this man got the fried
Really
chicken
good,
thigh.
really
Good.
excellent.
What'd you guys think? I already got your shit.
That shit was sloppy.
Sloppy good?
It was good though.
It was so good, it was so sloppy.
Seasoned to perfection. I literally have to take another shower just to get clean.
It gets old in the beard. That's
the beard.
the realness of having a beard.
Exactly. I was
What is
just
it called? The soup strainer.
I gotta get that Johnny Prime beard though. That, like,
All right, where are we riding
Yeah,
to?
Vinny, I never see you with soup. You like soup?
Oh my God, I love soup, but it's everywhere. You said it, the soup strainer. I would come back here in a heartbeat, getting me some Burger Queens. Awesome double smash, great shoestring, crispy fries. I got to try that chicken thigh sandwich with slaw. It looked excellent. Carlos got that. Andy's Roadrunner. We got Al's Rev. Very nice. He's got it set up nice. We got Ivan's Super 73, which he just boosted with a new controller. We got Patrick's Zoos 750 with the battery pack set up from Powerful Lithium. We got my Ultra Flex all yellowed up. Then we got Carlos's 1100 Zoos with a big battery pack also from Powerful Lithium. And then one of the OG special edition black Zeus 1100s, Gen 1 Kelvins. One of the first Zeus owners in the city. Limited edition. There he is. Tell us about your special black 1100.
It's the one and only black available.
Setting up for the photo opportunity. Oh yeah, give us that wind in front. Yeah. A lot of regular bikers in here. So that's it, we did it. Around the hood in 8 minutes, Queens, Burger Queens, all sorts of crazy parks, beautiful footage. Thanks for watching Around the Hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.